I travel a lot, but today I'm finally sharing with you my favorite airplane snack. Snyder's of Hanover pretzel pieces are my favorite. So today for my flight, I'm taking 2 flavors, hot buffalo wing and cheddar cheese. Now that we have snacks settled, it is time to head to the airport because there's nothing I hate more than when I get to the airport and there's not a snack that I actually want. And I've been on the pretzel pieces train for over a decade. When I was in high school, I used to buy a bag of the hot buffalo wing flavor every single day. And with a bunch of bold and craveable flavors, they are my favorite travel snack by far. So once I finally board the plane, I get everything situated in my little cubby, knowing because I packed my Snyder's of Hanover pretzel pieces, they will satisfy any craving that I have over this long flight. It's so important to prioritize a top quality airplane snack so I can focus on catching flights and not the feeling of hunger.